In the previous video, we saw the steps to create and download the marker AR database in order to make it available or import it inside the marker AR Unity project. I also explained the steps to upload the image target we created to our Vuforia account. In this video, I am going to show you how to project a 3D object on the image target we imported to our Unity project earlier, along with some other animation specific components. Hello folks, Nitin here, and this is the AI University channel. If you are new here, then consider subscribing to this channel, or if you have already subscribed, then click on the bell icon to receive the notifications about hottest technologies of 21st century. So as we can see on the screen, we have an image target available in the scene panel, which we have imported in the previous video. Now we will project a 3D object on this image target only. So without further delay, let's project the 3D object on it. Here we will make use of the asset store to download a specific 3D object or a model. So asset store is just like a Google Play Store or Microsoft Store, from where you can download required components like sound files, 3D models, specific scripts, etc., which we can utilize in our Unity projects. We will be using a 3D model called hero character Darius and Maximus. So you can choose either a free 3D model or buy any model of your choice. So let me open the asset store real quick. So just click on asset store here and you will come on this screen, right? So now click on search bar and you can see there is one option already available because I searched it previously. So just click on this hero character Darius and Maximus, and you can see that that character has appeared on the screen. Okay, so now we need to select and import this particular character in Unity. This is the character we are talking about, hero character Darius and Maximus. So if you scroll down, it will give you the file size, number of files and all those details, right? And if you further scroll down, you will get this import button here. Okay, and you can see that this is free character. Okay, you don't have to pay anything for it. So just click on import and then click on import here as well. So once the import is complete, folder with the asset name Darius and Maximus or Darius _ Maximus will be created in the asset folder, as you can see here. And if you go inside this folder, you will see several other subfolders associated with this particular character. Now, in order to project this hero character Darius and Maximus model on our image target, we need to make it as a child of image target. So just drag and drop this model on image target. So let me first go on to the scene panel and just pick any character. So there are not many characters here. Okay, and you can see the preview what exactly it is going to perform. So if you select this one, then it will say attack, so it will attack in this way. If you select this particular model, then it says dead, so it will just stay dead here. If you select this one, it will stay idle only. So we will select this attack one. Okay, and just drag and drop here in the hierarchy panel. So just drag and drop this attack character of Darius on image target in the hierarchy panel here. So you can see that character has appeared on the image target now. Let's change the scale. So I changed the scale of this character to 0.5, 0.5 and 0.5 so that you can easily visualize it, because this image was appearing very big on our image target. So there was a need to decrease the scale parameter of it. So I just went on to this right hand side in the inspector panel and just changed the values from 111 to 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. Similarly, if you want to change the position or rotation of this character, you can do so from this inspector panel, position and rotation arguments, or you can change here from this rotation tool on the above top corner. There is a scale tool as well as there is a move tool as well, right? So you can do uh, in fact there is a tool to move, rotate and scale selected objects. Okay, so this way you can do. So there are two ways, either this one or this one. You can choose any of your method to scale the size of this character. Now select the AR camera from hierarchy panel to open corresponding properties in the inspector panel on the right hand side. Now come down to Vuforia behavior section, which is this one, and locate the section called word center mode, which is this section, word center mode. By default, the option selected should be device here, but if it is not, then select the device option from the drop down. Now click on Vuforia engine configuration and come down to databases. You should see that your marker AR DB database is already selected. If not, then you can click on add a database button here and you will be directed to Vuforia developer page, from where you can take necessary steps discussed previously to get the corresponding database added. So basically, if you have imported the database at the start, then Unity will load and activate that database automatically. Now click on, and in fact you can change the camera device as well. So if I select this C922 Pro Stream webcam here, which is my webcam, okay, it will basically try to see the object on image target using this camera only. Okay, so now we have made the necessary changes. Now click on play button and point out your webcam at the book whose image target you captured. You should be able to see the Darius and maximum character appearing on the top of the book. If you want to take a look at it from all the directions, then just try to rotate the book and you can then see that Darius and Maximus character is also rotating. This model already comes with some predefined animations, but if you want, you can customize these animations as well. So let me show you how you can add some effects to this character model by adding some predefined animations, which comes as a package with this character model. So select Darius and Maximus model from hierarchy panel. So in the model section on the right hand side in the inspector panel, just click on select and then click on rig. You will see that currently it is selected as generic. So just click on legacy. Now come on to the animation tab and select ping pong from the wrap mode. So here you can see the wrap mode. Right now it is default. So just select ping pong from the drop down. Now scroll down and change the wrap mode here as well from default to ping pong, and then finally click on apply so that the effects will be applied clearly. So now if you click on play button, you will see that Darius and Maximus character is moving his sword. Okay, and if you move this book or rotate this book, you will see this character from all the sides. Alright, so this is the front and you can see that he is moving his sword and kind of attacking here, right? So folks, this is it for this video. In the next upcoming video, I will be showing you the steps to download the Android Studio software so that we can see the AR based objects using our smartphone camera. So here is today's question. For what purpose the Vuforia database used for? Please post your answers, comments in the comment section given below so that I can get a chance to incorporate your feedback. You can also post your technical questions in the comment section and I will try to answer the same. If you are watching this video and you are not already a subscriber to our channel, consider clicking that little subscribe button. In case you have already subscribed, then click on the bell icon to receive the notifications whenever I will release a new video. So thanks for hanging out with me, guys. I will be covering next topic in the upcoming video, so keep on watching. Thank you.